Everyone is excited sa nalalapit na pagbubukas ngayong taon sa ating bansa ng pinakamalaking furniture retailer in the world. Soon, the Philippines will say hey to the Swedish furniture giant Ikea. Ikea. Ano ba talaga ang tamang pronunciation sa pangalan ng Swedish multinational company na to? People in the USA and the UK pronounce it as Ikea. Pero sa Sweden kung saan nag-originate ang brand na to, they say it as Ikea. So if you're using British or American English, call it Ikea. Pero kung gusto mo namang mag-sound authentic and original, you can say Ikea like how the Swedish pronounce it. Ikea is the world's largest furniture retailer, known for their wide range of well-designed, functional, ready-to-assemble furniture, home accessories, and kitchen appliances. Founded in 1943 by 17-year-old Ingvar Kamprad, nag-start ang Ikea from selling small household goods like pens, wallet, and picture frame, at nag-venture out 5 years later to selling furniture. And the rest is history, ika nga. Alam niyo ba na ang salitang Ikea is an acronym? Ikea stands for Ingvar Kamprad, ang initials ng founder ng Ikea, at ang E at A naman ang initials ng Mtard and Agunard, ang farm at village sa Sweden kung saan siya pinanganak at lumaki. Currently, mayroong 469 Ikea stores in 59 countries around the world. Ang bansang Germany ang may pinakamaraming Ikea stores sa buong mundo, with 53 stores, making it Ikea's largest market by revenue. Sumunod ang United States na mayroong 52 Ikea stores. Ang kauna-unahang Ikea store na binuksan outside Europe ay sa Japan noong 1974. Ang bansang Saudi Arabia naman ang kauna-unahang Muslim country na nagkaroon ng Ikea store. At present, the largest Ikea store in the world ay matatagpuan sa South Korea na may laki na 57,100 square meters. Pero sa pagbubukas ng Ikea ngayong taon sa ating bansa, sa Pilipinas na matatagpuan ang world's largest Ikea store na may laki na 65,000 square meters o kasing laki ng 150 basketball courts. Ang kauna-unahang Ikea store sa Pilipinas is located in Pasay, Metro Manila. At sa mga susunod na taon, posibleng mag-expand at magkaroon din ng Ikea sa Baguio, Cagayan de Oro, Cebu, Davao at Iloilo. From its very humble beginnings to its iconic business success now, paano ba naiba ang Ikea sa ibang mga retail stores? One of the unique things about Ikea is its store layout. Sa isang pangkaraniwang retail store, pwede kang dumiretso agad sa section ng produktong gusto mong bilhin, pay, and then exit. Sa isang Ikea store, hindi mo maaaring magawa yan. This is because their stores are often designed in a one-way layout that will make you see the entire store and every product they are selling. Sabi nga ng marami, pag nasa Ikea ka, it's like you're traveling through a maze that leads you to every section and every product before you can see the exit. The more you see, the more chances na makabili ka ng mga product that you are not planning to buy. At hindi ka magrereklamo kasi this layout encourages fun and great shopping experience. What a brilliant marketing strategy, diba? When you enter an Ikea store, the first that you will see is the showroom, kung saan andon ang kanilang mga stage room settings. Dito mo makikita ang mga designs at inspiration kung paano mo aayusin ang kitchen, bedroom, or living area mo. You can test and touch the furnitures here, at pag may nagustuhan ka, you can take note of the details in the price tag. Dahil ang price tag will tell you kung saan mo pwede i-pick up ang product na nagustuhan mong bilhin. The products that you see in the showroom ay makukuha mo sa market hall or sa self-service area. Makikita mo sa market hall ang mga home accessories gaya ng kitchen items, towels, frames, clocks, at iba pang smaller items. Sa self-service furniture area mo naman makukuha ang mga flat-packed furnishing items na nakita mo sa showroom. One of the reasons why the products at Ikea are low in prices is because of this flat-pack concept. Dahil flat ang packaging ng mga ready-to-assemble furniture sa Ikea, this means lower shipping and storage cost. At since ang buyer ang mag-a-assemble ng furniture, isa rin itong dahilan why Ikea is able to keep its prices low. Simple, minimal, sleek, and affordable products that look very nice. That's why napakaraming bumibili sa Ikea. Ang top-selling product sa Ikea ay ang Billy Bookshelf. Did you know that one Billy Bookshelf is sold every 5 seconds somewhere sa mundo? More than 110 million Billy Bookshelves na ang nabenta na ng Ikea simula mag-open ito. At dahil sila ang #1 furniture retailer sa buong mundo, ang Ikea din ang most likely world's largest single consumer of wood. 1% of the world's supply of wood ay kinukonsumo ng Ikea every year para sa kanilang mga furniture products. Another reason bakit maraming customers ang pumupunta sa Ikea ay ang kanilang famous Ikea restaurant. To make their customers stay longer, naisipan nilang maglagay ng restaurant sa loob ng kanilang store. Isa itong napakagaling na strategy because a customer that is full won't stray, di ba? Their food is so famous worldwide that 30% ng kanilang customers ay pumupunta lang sa kanilang store para kumain. Ang pinaka-popular sa menu nila ay ang Swedish meatballs. About 1 billion meatballs lang naman ang nabebenta ng Ikea worldwide every year. Sa pagbubukas ng Ikea sa Pilipinas, there will be 1,000 seats available para sa mga hungry Pinoy na kakain sa restaurant nila. Of course, the famous Swedish meatballs will be on the menu. Have you been in an Ikea store? Ano ang pinaka-looking forward mo sa pagbubukas ng Ikea Philippines? Let us know in the comment section below.